People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today we're back on the Tesha Miller trial. Now, you probably remember, right from the start, I was telling people that the star witness, the informer, got a deal from the DPP, right? And in several videos I did, people running in the comment section, people even send me email, I tell me, say, oh, them read Observer, them read Gleaner, them read Nationwide, and then they hear nothing but a plea deal. Some of us stop make up story. Well, today, in court, it officially announced that the client or the witness, who we will refer to as Brother Rat or Ratty, right, did in fact receive a plea deal. People, I needed to listen to me carefully now, right? The plea deal that Ratty received, right, is actually playing sweetly into the hands of Bert Samuels and Tesha Miller. People, if this was tennis, it would be advantage Tesha, because what I was afraid of from day one is happening right now. See, Bert Samuels has finally gotten his chance to tackle the witness. And the witness, Brother Rat, is already stumbling and fumbling all over himself. People, listen to me carefully right now. The onus is on the prosecution to prove that Tesha Miller is guilty, right? Because according to the law, Tesha Miller is innocent until proven guilty, even though May knows that Tesha Miller was a Don, the Klansman, right? But we are talking about the law now, courthouse business. Now, the witness said that him know Tesha since he was 11 years old, right? So clearly he's saying he have a good relationship with Tesha, him know Tesha a long time, so him know all of Tesha's secrets. Here's the problem, people. The witness had already given a previous statement to the police that him don't actually know Tesha that long. People, by the end of this video, you're going to understand why I say advantage Tesha, you know. So that's the first thing. Now he must say him know Tesha from him 11. His previous statement said he didn't know Tesha that long. Hold on, people. It's getting more interesting. The witness then went on to state that he was the one who contacted the DPP, right, and offered to give information on Tesha Miller. He said this because he was trying to prove that he wasn't the deal or make him talk. But this ended up backfire, because when you're saying you are the one who reach out, this only make Bert Samuels can paint you again as a desperate man trying to come out of jail, right? The witness said, and I quote, "If the life sentence did the same way, I would have done it same way," end quote. Which juror you think believe that, people? And then to make things worse, do you know when the plea bargain was sealed or ratified? Which I find, because you know we are calling him Ratty and the deal was ratified. You know when it was ratified, people? Last Tuesday. The day before the trial start. So in plea bargain deal come official Tuesday. Again, playing directly into Bert Samuels' hands, because Bert Samuels was in court painting the picture that this is a man who is only testifying, cause him to get a deal, and the deal dropped the day right before trial start. What a coincidence. But listen to the plea bargain deal now, people. The witness, Brother Rat, would have his sentence reduced from a life sentence, life, right, for murder and attempted arson. Because you know Klansman style already. Back in them days, the Klansman style is to burn down your house, right? Lock up all people in the house and burn it down with them. That was one of their favorite techniques. So him also have an arson charge for him, people, right? So the plea bargain went from life to 10 years. It gets even better for Brother Rat. He would be eligible for parole after serving 1/3 of the 10 years. That means, for all the things that my brother Rat has done in his entire life, all the people where him dash with, all the people where him rob and extort, in his own words, I him say him do all of them things, he can walk away in 3 years' time after this Tesha Miller testimony. 3 years, 1/3 of 10 years, people. 3 years and a couple months, smash. 3 years. So of course, Bert Samuels licking his lips, because this is playing directly into his rhetoric, into his narrative, that this is a man who's only trying to send away my client because he might get a deal and because he's bitter and desperate. Right? But then I was thinking, you know what? If Ratty does hold him composure, right, then this thing can still go down and Tesha can still get sink. People, bombshell drop. It turns out the previous statement that Ratty had provided had a number of discrepancies. Bert Samuels was laughing because he was using one statement to counter these new statements. So the statements that Ratty are making a quote now, Bert Samuels are read out the previous statement. So in the previous statement, right, the whole story about how him know what got happen to Douglas Chambers was completely different. Not only that, Ratty had tell the police them, say Tesha wasn't the Don, the Klansman, but instead it was a man by the name of Blingers. Do you see what's happening in court now, people? What's happening in court now? What is Ratty losing? Credibility. Right? This is what I was afraid of, people. That Bert Samuels was going to hold Ratty and spin him around like a gig. Right? He then went on to say, right, and listen to this now, people, because I've been dropping hints in my videos the whole week, people. All the last week I've been dropping subtle hints. Enough people now pick up on it, When I said to you that the 13 family members that Ratty said drop out between 2003 and 2015, right, and I said to you, family member them mix up enough 87s and kerosene oil in the family. Again, people jump in the comment section. Oh, you know that? Where you say that? I can't him alone that the family bad. Not because him bad means that other people in the family bad. Well, Ratty testified today, right, that right up close to the period where he got incarcerated, him get shut up. You know by who? His own brother. People, you have to understand, the split in Klansman is not new, right? Ratty is not new that Ratty is against Tesha. So not only is Bert Samuels painting the picture of a man coming out of jail, a man who wanted to come out of jail, is painting the picture of a man who is bitter and resentful and does about Tesha, right? And he's using his previous statements against him, right? Because Ratty is saying his own brother shot him up. Now you see why I say the family mix up. The family full of 87 and kerosene oils. How much finger the rat hold up, people? When I posted the picture of Instagram of the rat, right, holding up 3 fingers, how soon he might come a road? In 3 years' time. It's been right in front of you the whole time, people. The whole time. Right? So now, how this is going to go? Can it be turned around? Yes, there's still a chance. Tesha might still get sink. Remember, at the end of the day, as I said, in my opinion, it's almost impossible that the jury don't know who named Tesha and hear how much things about Tesha. But people, it's not looking good. At the moment, Bert Samuels are spinning on Ratty. Right? Remember, people, Ratty said in a quote, him stopped go school when he was 7 years old, people. Not 17. 7. Ratty stopped go school. A 7-year-old is what? Grade 1 or grade 2 or primary school? What do you think is going to happen when somebody like Bert Samuels hold a man like that and start giving him all some trick questions? I think the real deal breaker are the two opposing statements the Ratty provide. Cause him come out and him say one thing and give the police one statement, and know him in a court I say a next thing, and Bert Samuels I use the initial statement and I beat him. People, make we see what can go on now. There's still a little hope. Tesha can still get seen. But it's not looking good, people. The fact that Ratty has been called out as a liar, and Bert Samuels is putting him in front of the jury as a liar. When it comes down to the nitty-gritty, which is beyond a reasonable doubt, do not be surprised if Tesha Miller walk away from the case. I've been trying to get people to brace from day one, right? So that when the news comes, nobody no drop down and surprise. But it's not looking good. Ratty have to go turn it around tomorrow, right? He's going to have an extraordinary explanation as to why him two statements are different. People, it's going to be a very, very spooky Christmas. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.